Hey everyone, I'm Brad and welcome to Turbocharger Tech Tips. I'd like to talk to you today about different types of turbochargers and their technology. Turbocharger technology has been around since 1905 when Swiss engineer Alfred Bucci patented the concept. In 1953, a new technology was introduced called variable geometry turbochargers. This new technology was brought on by the frustration with significant delays in building up pressure, also known as boost, with traditional fixed geometry turbos. For turbochargers to perform, the turbine wheel requires a certain amount of exhaust gas to spin the wheel and generate boost, which for fixed geometry turbochargers at lower RPMs is a problem. Once higher RPMs are reached, the turbocharger kicks in and you feel the boost. Variable geometry turbochargers include technology that allow the geometry of the exhaust housing, also known as the hot housing where the exhaust gas enters, to change and ultimately build up boost just above engine idle speeds. Think about a garden hose for just a moment. When you are watering plants close to you, you just turn on the hose and the water comes out. However, if you have plants farther away, you have to close off the end of the hose with your thumb, ultimately changing the geometry of the end of the hose and increasing the water pressure. Variable geometry turbochargers work very similarly. Inside the exhaust housing are vanes that adjust to generate more pressure at lower RPMs. More recently, these adjustable vanes that change the geometry of the exhaust housing are controlled by electronics that communicate with the engine. This allows the turbocharger to achieve enough pressure and generate boost much more efficiently. This technology is powered by an electronic actuator. This is an expensive part that must be calibrated to the turbocharger for proper operation. Some turbocharger suppliers do not include the electronic actuator and require a separate purchase. After this separate purchase is a mandatory calibration process before you can even install the replacement turbocharger. This is an added cost and complexity during installation that OE turbo-powered turbochargers avoid. Every OE turbo-powered turbocharger is plug and play out of the box with the electronic actuator. Although turbocharger technology over the years has increased in complexity, we strive to make your installation safe and simple. Well, that's all for this turbocharger tech tip. Thank you so much for watching.